Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is Happy Mail. I received Happy Mail from Ms.B here on YouTube, and I will link her below. I forgot the name of her Instagram, but I'm going to link that below as well. But look at this beautiful packaging that she sent. It did get smashed in the mail. I'm not sure why, because it is unicorn. Hello. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, let's see what this is. I have my scissors here, and let's open this. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited to see what's in here. I appreciate you sending me Happy Mail because, oh my goodness, it has been the week of all weeks, including this weekend. So oh my goodness, thank you so much. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, I see black. Let's see what this is. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of hard. There's a little truffle in here, I think. Oh no, it's, I love coffee. Thank you so much for that. And that's it, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I have no idea what this is, but we're gonna see. No way! No way! No way, no way. Be yourself. She just did not. This is so amazing. Oh my goodness. Thoughtful, everything. It is everything to me. Look at what she sent. She sent coffee because I love coffee. I do love tea as well, you guys. I am a tea drinker as well, but I am also a coffee drinker, and I just love this. This is like ceramic. I seen these at Hobby Lobby, but I did not see this one. And oh my goodness, look at this. It's just a cup with this silicone lid on it, and it says be yourself with a little b. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. It's beautiful. I love it so much. I love it so much, especially that it says be yourself, because this is me, you guys. This is how I am on camera and in person. This is just me, you know? And I appreciate you guys watching me, and I appreciate that you enjoy my stuff, and I appreciate this cup especially, and I thank you so much. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm gonna link her below, her Instagram and her YouTube, and also I'm going to link her up in the icon. Please go check her out and show her some love, and look how thoughtful she is. This is, I love it. I love it, and I will be tagging you on Instagram as well as soon as morning hits, because I do film at night. My kids are sleeping, and so I film at night when everyone's quiet. And oh my god, I just love this coffee cup. I love it. It's gonna be put to good use, and oh, I thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms.B. I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.